The following video is uploaded by a construction worker that was working on site late one evening. In the clip, the construction worker had pulled out his phone to record a video, recording himself while on site. And while doing so, something disturbing happened. Take a look.
Big the moon is, it's really big. Anyway, it's pretty cool. No. No, 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 no. Wait, there's nothing there.
So what do you think is actually going on in the clip? I would love to hear your thoughts. And as always, for more content, come check us out.